This is Hank. She was premature and therefore the tiniest kitten in the pack. Because she was born too early, Hank was extremely small, weighing only about 2 ounces, so tiny compared to a normal kitten weighing 4 ounces at birth. Her mother didn't even feed her and even abandoned her, so she was vulnerable, seemingly unable to survive. But fortunately, her human parents came and brought Hank home to take care of her. The first time they saw Hank, they were quite worried about her being seriously underweight. They could even see her ribs. Hank needed 24-hour care and extremely careful treatment. They put Hank in a basket with a heating pad and a blanket over it, along with some stuffed animals and old socks. They took her everywhere, literally, wherever they went. Every 2 hours they fed her, even at midnight. The heating pad must be operated all day and Hank must be kept warm even while eating, because kittens can't regulate their temperature until they're 4 weeks old. It was a difficult time for both little Hank and her parents. But all the hard work paid off. Hank improved day by day. It's amazing to see her change from a tiny one before a super healthy girl today. During Hank's growth, besides the care of her parents, there was support from Poppy the cat and Aspen the dog. Hank is actually a naughty and wild cat. She's just quiet when she sleeps and full of energy when she wakes up. But she is also very affectionate. Hank always wants to be with her parents. As she gets older, she becomes quieter, but her love for her parents grows stronger. She loves to be cuddled and pampered in her parents' arms. It's crazy to remember how tiny she used to be and how she's grown up now. Thanks to Hank's parents for giving her the chance to see this world.